Preparation. First, remove any plinths before starting to lay the floor. Whether you reuse existing plinths or add new ones, only place them after the floor installation is completed. To make sure you have enough flooring panels to cover your room, calculate the surface area and add 10%. Acclimatize your floor panels for 48 hours prior to installation at a room temperature between 18 to 25 degrees centigrade, that is 64 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Subfloor. Make sure your subfloor is clean, dry, flat, stable, and level. Check for any peaks or depressions in your subfloor, and if they exist, fill them up. Remove any last obstructions such as glue, nails, or screws, etc. And before starting, check the flooring panels for any damages. Now you are ready to begin installing.